Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Bath Bombs is probably one of the most luxurious and pampering ways to elevate your bathing experience, transforming a simple soak into a spa-like retreat right in your own home. Imagine sinking into warm, fragrant water as these delightful spheres dissolve, releasing a symphony of scents, skin-nourishing ingredients, and often, a mesmerizing swirl of colors, all designed to melt away stress and leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and rejuvenated. It's more than just a bath, it's a moment of self-care, a small indulgence that can make a big difference in your day. Number 5. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. Experience the ultimate relaxation with our luxurious bath bombs. Each one is crafted to provide a spa-like experience right in your own home. Proudly made in the USA, our bath bombs are crafted with care. You can trust in the quality and ingredients that go into every fizz. Say goodbye to dry skin. Infused with shea and cocoa butter, these bombs deeply moisturize, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Looking for the perfect gift? These make an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or just to show someone you care. Whether it's for her or him, your wife or girlfriend, this gift set is sure to bring a smile. It's a thoughtful way to pamper loved ones. Each bath bomb is handmade, ensuring a unique and special touch. Enjoy the delightful scents and the beautiful fizz as they dissolve. What we like? This set is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and care. It's infused with shea and cocoa butter to deeply moisturize dry skin. If you struggle with dry skin or are looking for a reliable, high-quality option, this is the perfect choice for a luxurious bath experience. What people say. These bath bombs are a great addition to any bath time routine, providing a relaxing and aromatic experience. The bath bombs dissolve completely, leaving no residue or mess in the tub. Each bath bomb is individually wrapped, ensuring freshness and making them perfect for gifting. Number 4. Body Restore Bath Bombs 6-pack. Escape the everyday with our luxurious bath bombs. Experience ultimate relaxation and melt away your stress. Indulge your senses with delightful aromatherapy scents. Each bomb transforms your bath into a tranquil spa. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful presents for birthdays, Easter, or just because. Prioritize your well-being with a moment of pure self-care. Transform your routine into a rejuvenating ritual. Enjoy a spa-like experience right in your shower. Let the soothing scents envelop you. Feel the tension release as you soak in the calming aromas. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. What we like? Experience true relaxation with these aromatherapy bombs designed for stress relief. The scents are crafted to help you unwind and de-stress. If you're looking to create a spa-like atmosphere at home and melt away your worries, these are ideal for your self-care routine. What people say. Open up sinuses and opens all pores helps me breathe so much better. Helps my husband and myself relax and sleep better too. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. My nasal passage felt so good and I could smell the scent for a little while after getting out of the shower, which is exactly what I wanted. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, and it fills the shower nicely, making it feel more like a spa experience. They dissolve well and last a decent amount of time during a shower. Number 3. Body Restore Bath Bombs Aromatherapy 15-pack. Transform your bath into a spa-like experience. Our bath bombs are designed to help you unwind and relax after a long day. Indulge in the soothing power of aromatherapy. Each bomb releases calming scents to melt away your stress. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This 15-pack makes the perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Say goodbye to tension and hello to tranquility. These are crafted to provide ultimate stress relief and promote a sense of calm. Prioritize your well-being with this essential self-care set. It's time to pamper yourself and rejuvenate your mind and body. Enjoy the classic, calming scent of lavender. It's known for its relaxing properties, creating a peaceful atmosphere. What we like? Indulge in the calming power of lavender with this generous 15-pack aromatherapy set. It's perfect for extended relaxation and stress relief. If you love the scent of lavender and want a long-lasting supply for your self-care rituals, this pack offers incredible value and tranquility. What people say. Open up sinuses and opens all pores, helps me breathe so much better. Helps my husband and myself relax and sleep better too. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. My nasal passage felt so good and I could smell the scent for a little while after getting out of the shower, which is exactly what I wanted. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, and it fills the shower nicely, making it feel more like a spa experience. They dissolve well and last a decent amount of time during a shower. Number 2. Vanilla Coconut Home Spa Set, 9-piece gift basket. Treat her to a luxurious spa experience at home. This set is designed to pamper and delight. Immerse yourself in the calming and tropical scents of vanilla and coconut. It's a truly relaxing aroma. Everything you need for a rejuvenating bath is included. Enjoy fragrant lotions and large bath bombs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This 9-piece set makes a wonderful present for any woman. Elevate your bath time with these premium bath and body essentials. It's pure indulgence. The included lotions and bath bombs are crafted to nourish your skin. Experience soft, smooth results. What we like. This comprehensive home spa set brings a touch of luxury to your bath routine with a delightful vanilla coconut scent. It includes not only bath bombs but also fragrant lotions and coconut oil for a complete pampering experience. If you're looking for an all-in-one gift or a way to indulge in a full-body spa treatment at home, this set is perfect. What people say. The 9-piece set feels luxurious and thoughtfully put together, with a soothing scent that's relaxing without being overpowering. Every item arrived beautifully packaged and ready to gift, which made it perfect for birthdays, holidays, or self-care treats. The products feel high quality and leave skin feeling soft and pampered. Number 1. USA-made Organic Bath Bombs Gift Set. Experience ultimate relaxation with our luxurious bath bombs. Made with the finest organic and natural ingredients, they transform your bath into a spa-like escape. Each bath bomb is lovingly handcrafted right here in the USA. We ensure the highest quality with our commitment to natural and organic ingredients. Whether you're looking for a treat for yourself or a thoughtful gift, these are perfect for both women and men. Give the gift of tranquility. Bring the spa experience to your home with our carefully curated bath bomb set. Unwind and rejuvenate your body and mind. Our formula features organic and natural ingredients designed to soothe your skin and calm your senses. Enjoy a truly refreshing bath. Searching for the perfect gift? This bath bomb set is an ideal choice for any occasion, offering a moment of peace and pampering. What we like. Crafted with organic and natural ingredients, this set offers a pure and relaxing spa experience. It's made in the USA, so you can trust the quality of the ingredients. If you prioritize natural and organic products for your bath and are seeking a genuinely relaxing escape, this is an excellent option. What people say. Each one is labeled for a different purpose, which makes them fun and easy to choose from. The scents are gentle, the fizz is perfect, and we've never had a single problem. They both told me after their first bath it's very moisturizing and great experience. The set is made in the USA with organic and natural ingredients that are perfect for relaxing and rejuvenating after a long day. They come in 6 different aromas that are both calming and invigorating, making it easy to find one that fits my mood. Each bath bomb is also a different color, which adds a fun and playful element to my bath time routine. The ingredients in these bath bombs are all top quality and carefully chosen for their therapeutic benefits. They include essential oils, Epsom salt, and other natural ingredients that help to soothe sore muscles, moisturize the skin, and promote relaxation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.